Hey there, this is Dominic, and I wanted to walk you through the process of retrieving grades for a student that's been dropped from a course. This screencast is predominantly for like admin or an SDA that are trying to retrieve student grades. So first thing you should do is identify the term that you're working in, and this will kind of limit the list of different courses that you're looking at. I'm actually going to be looking at a course from Peninsula, so I'm going to go to trimester. So this shows me all the current trimesters, and if I click on teacher up over here too, it'll alphabetize all of the courses that have been offered by that specific teacher. If I wanted to drill in further, I could, for instance, just type in the last name, and then it would actually bring in the courses specifically just for that teacher. And you'll notice that the ones that have the little green check are those that are published, and ones that actually have students, right? So say for instance I was going to add a student back into this digital photo course. I would drill into the actual class, and then of course anytime I'm dealing with enrollments, I'm going to go to people, right? And this is at the course level, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the Add People tab. We always choose to add users by their login ID. So if I paste the email address of the student into there, and I make sure that their role is set to student, and that I put them in the correct section. In this case, this teacher only has one section, but if I was trying to retrieve the grade from a specific section, I want to make sure to select that there, and then I would go ahead and click next. Okay, and you would see that right now the student is being added correctly. It's recognized the name just based on the login ID, and I'd click add user. Now to go and retrieve the grade, I would go and find the specific user. When I click on the name of the student, it'll always give me this option then to see the grades, and it would show me all of the grades that student had prior to being disenrolled from the class. And this is when I would go ahead and click on the print button and choose to save it to PDF and click save and save a copy of that. Now it's important that once you've added them, you also have to remove them from the course once you've gotten this report. So then go back to your People's tab, go back and find the actual student again. Since she never accepted, it still says pending, and you'll see over here on the right hand side there's these three dots, and down over here is where I can choose to remove this person from the course. And removing them from the course, clicking OK, will actually take them back out of the class. Okay, that's it. That's how you're able to retrieve grades for drop students. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.